Good morning, good afternoon. Today's April 8th, Monday, 2019, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Looking at the headlines right now, we do see the IPO is still evaluating. A lot of these new tech companies seems to be more skeptical now and more since the past experiences, we probably can tell a lot of these so-called tech companies, if they have any legitimacy for investment money. Again, we did have Levi's, which is selling jeans, which is a product that you can tangibly buy and wear. And then it did okay. And then we have Lyft, which is basically a driver able to put a mobile app in the phone and then call the whole car experience as part of Lyft. But people with common sense knows the car is engineered by the car company, so you have a good car experience should go to the credit of the car company that engineered the car. And for the ride experience, it goes to the driver if you have a positive driver experience. With Lyft's whole experience, 90% is basically is the map that provide the experience, the map, which is owned by Google for Google Maps and Waze. And the imported library for the map is also from Google. So basically the Lyft app is a lot of good pictures and design and some math equations, which almost anybody can create. It's a rather straightforward app, and so that's why there's some evaluation on the legitimacy of Lyft. So there you have it. And Pinterest, personally, if you know technology, you can actually recreate Pinterest UI, which is a lot of pictures scrolling down. That has been obsolete for many years already, where you can basically recreate the same UI experience. All right, a little bit of other news. All right, a little bit of trading of emission credits. All right, a little bit of buying of gold to hedge anything risky in the global macro economy. Roku, which is basically a device that runs on basically either Android or some customized version of Android that basically lets you stream traditional channels. All right, so Roku, like if you travel around the world, there are actually similar devices easily reproduced because you just basically have a small box hardware, almost like those thumb drive that can run Windows 10, and you just write your custom app to stream videos. So you see, like Boeing, as I ranted in previous commentaries, the irony of outrageous, irresponsibility, not allowing the consumer, the airlines, to remove the sensor if they choose to, and then just more dumb ideas in software over other original dumb ideas in the software. All right, so that's that. Boeing. Well, I just see the risk is coming anyway, because if the Boeing made that plane in question was a car, I would drive it home and then just remove the sensors myself. Car guys know this. You do it yourself. But it's different with these airplanes. All right, let's look into CNBC. So we see the market dropping rather limited in gyrations in my previous commentary. I guess the regulators are having a hawkish eye on anything HFT 2.0 related. So either like some entities got regulatory actions now, and they're like hurting real bad in the either like penalties related, or like a lot of them are just like staying out, not to try to avoid regulatory hawkish eye actions. All right. Relatively same headlines. All right. So there you have it. We're approaching, technically in springtime, and the weather is turning very nicely. Everybody's going out, taking time off, around the spring break timing area. And there's also a lot of March Madness, where the final game's happening, I think, today. So it's interesting in sports, interesting in the weather, and so forth like that. All right, so pretty much alignment on a lot of things in support of the economy. So so that's pretty much it. Today's Monday, April 8th, 2019. We're doing a morning business headline commentary. Something to note: I do have Indian followers. India's Modi went for a big hug on Amazon after my dated video on Amazon, listed below, when it was around $500 a share. And if you're following my commentary, you probably quadruple your money a couple of months ago and still triple your money now. Something I also know, I do have Chinese business followers. Some of them decided to buy out Germany's robotics firm after I feature these robotics arms in my supercar remix videos. Some of them listed below. Something I also know, I did feature Goku and Gohan characters of Dragon Ball in my cooking demo, cooking hero videos. Some of them listed below. The company Funimation that owns Dragon Ball became a takeover target after I featured them in my video. Some of them listed below. All right, today's again Monday, April 8th, 2019, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Happy trading, everybody.